I'm Addie Cukingnan. I'm a visual artist and I'm known for my florals. Actually, this is a little off my comfort zone, painting the seas, the sea life, but I strongly believe in your advocacy of protecting the environment. I'm actually an environmentalist. That's why when I was invited, I participated in this show. Artists play a big role in protecting the environment. We usually paint beautiful things. God's creation, we paint a beautiful landscape, we paint trees, flowers, and sea life, like what we're doing now. And by showing the beauty of God's creation, we can help influence people to maintain or take care of our environment, especially the seas. I'd like to invite everyone on July 24 to 25 at the new MSI building for the Plasticon 2025. I'll see you there. Ako si Addie Cukingnan, isang artista,
Isang artista,
Isang artista,
isa pong artista
Isang artista
Isang artista
Isang artista
para sa kalikasan.